serious player. Serious player is my brother AJ. We got this game from his birthday. This is a new level. I can't take much. He's dying.
I can't really have much air. I don't really have much air. Look. It'll say air. Air.
That's when you die.
Only when I die?
Go die. See?
I don't have that much air. See, I'm running out of air.
You're supposed to go away.
I know where I'm supposed to go. Wait, I'll show you.
Because when you want to go get something, and then you go like that.
It said ask us penguins. How do you do that? How do you do that? Daddy, how do you do that thing?
They don't have much. There's a star.
You have to get the stars.
This is a serious player, AJ, but his daddy is playing for him.
You're running out of air.
Back to you, EJ. Back to you, EJ. Back to the game. My brother's not listening.
Let me try.
To get the stars, Jay.
My player is back.
Press this.
Back to you.
You got it.